Are you struggling with an inefficient sales funnel? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced business world, many companies find themselves losing potential customers at different stages of their sales process. But what if there was a way to turn those missed opportunities into conversions? Enter AI technology, your new best friend in optimizing sales funnels. Imagine AI as the ultimate assistant, tirelessly working to refine and enhance each step of your sales journey. From attracting potential leads to closing deals, AI can revolutionize how businesses operate. First, let's tackle the top of the funnel, lead generation. AI tools like chatbots and data analytics can help identify and engage potential customers more effectively than ever. By analyzing data patterns and user behavior, AI can predict which prospects are most likely to convert, allowing you to focus your efforts where they matter most. Moving down the funnel to lead nurturing, AI can personalize communication based on individual preferences and past interactions. Imagine having tailored emails and content sent automatically to nurture your leads through the decision-making process. Now let's talk about closing the deal. AI-driven insights can optimize your sales strategies by suggesting the best time to reach out to a prospect or which product features to highlight. This ensures that your sales team is equipped with the right information to seal the deal efficiently. But the power of AI doesn't stop once the sale is made. Post-sale, AI tools can enhance customer retention by predicting future needs and offering personalized recommendations. This ensures long-term customer satisfaction and loyalty. The outcome, a streamlined, efficient sales funnel that not only boosts conversions, but also enhances customer relationships. Businesses across the USA, Kosovo, the United Kingdom, Ireland, Turkey, Singapore, Germany, Spain, Iceland, and Switzerland are already leveraging AI to transform their sales processes. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the future of sales by integrating AI into your funnel. It's time to move beyond traditional methods and unlock unprecedented growth and success. Start your journey with AI today and watch your sales soar to new heights.